Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate dessert experience. If you love rich flavor of chocolate with creamy peanut butter, this cake is for you. The perfect chocolate layer is complemented by a smooth peanut butter frosting, creating a combination that both indulgent and irresistible. Whether for a special occasion or to treat yourself, this cake is sure to impress. Let's get started and dive into the world of chocolatey peanut butter goodness. First, we have 1 cup of room temperature milk, half cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all ingredients well until they become smooth. Now add all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, along with the half cup of cocoa powder. Sift all dry ingredients into wet and whisk until there should be no lumps. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now for the rich and moist texture of cake, boil 1 cup of water along with 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Add boiling water into cake batter and whisk. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until center is completely cooked. For the creamy peanut butter cream frosting, beat 250 grams of room temperature butter until it's smooth. Don't forget to scrape bowl in between. Add 1 cup of powder or confectionery sugar and continuous beat. Add half cup of creamy peanut butter and beat until all ingredients are well combined. Beat all ingredients until it's creamy, light and fluffy. After 30 minutes, take out the cake to the oven and transfer cake to the cooling rack and let it cool completely. Spread all the frosting across the surface of the cake from edge to edge. Do not apply buttercream frosting on hot cake. For the toppings, you need half cup of salted peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cups chocolate, melted peanut butter and melted chocolate. Drizzle the top randomly with melted peanut butter. You could make this cake without toppings at all, but with toppings, it takes it over the top. Pick and choose as you please. Let me know in the comments what toppings you like. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and hit the bell notification. Happy baking!